Hi, beautiful people. It's me, Raja Sain. I am building websites for over 6 years on the Fiverr, and people mostly ask me common question about the hosting because when you're going to have an idea about building your business or the e-commerce website, then first the question comes in your mind. It's the hosting and the domain, and mostly people don't know about the domain and the hosting. So for the new buyer, let me to explain what is actually hosting. Hosting is a server where you're going to set up your website and going to put your files, and this server is live all the time, so you can access the website or the files anytime through the internet. So it means, in the simple word, we can say hosting is a server where it has the 24 hours the internet, so we can access our website or the files anytime from worldwidely. And the second, people ask the question about the domain. So domain is actually the address of your business, like facebook.com. So facebook.com, it is the address of the Facebook. When we're going to search on the Google search engine, we write the facebook.com, so it brings to the website. Like etsy.com, like my website is rajasain.com or the fiverr.com. It is the name of your business, so people can search and find you on the internet. And another question, it is maybe going to be the third question about the hosting. They ask me about what the hosting they have to purchase, because hosting matters a lot. Google's love the fast website, so it's easily rank the websites on the top of the Google search engine. So I have got the experience of 6 years while building the website on the Fiverr. So I highly recommend them to go with the Hostinger. They are so affordable. You're going to have the domain and the hosting for only $32 for the 1 year, and it is very affordable and a great deal. And they are doing so amazing job. Their service, their customer support, their server are so fastest. So if you are consider about to build your e-commerce or the business website for on the WordPress or whatever the platform you are using, then you must purchase the hosting from the Hostinger. And I'm going to give the link below in my description. If you're going to purchase through my affiliate link, you will not pay the more, definitely, but if you purchase through my link, I will get some commission and you're going to get the discount. But believe me, this is the honest review I'm just providing you about the hosting. Because if you're going to see the website Kenosha Kulting Basketball Academy in the Bristol, like the Sudan Basketball Academy, and there are so many websites. I have worked with so many brands, and they all using the Hostinger, and their website speeds is really so amazing. Thank you. So I'm going to give the link below in the description. So when you are going to purchase the hosting, click on the link, so you will come to this website, the Hostinger. And then if you scroll down here, you say it's going to have the up to 75% off of the web hosting, and then you're going to have the free domain and 24 hours support and the website migration. And if we here, you can see $2.99 per month and 3 months free. If we scroll down here, the most popular is the business plan. If you're going to have the more website to upgrade, like you want to make the 100 website. But if you plan to have only one website, then I will recommend to go with this plan. It's the premium plan. So you're going to get the website at the $2.99 per the month, and then you're going to get the discount. Let me show you how you can do that. If we scroll down here, you're going to get the 100 websites, and wow, amazing. You see, you can make many websites here, and you're going to have the 100 SSD and unlimited SSL support, free email, free domain, and really it's really so amazing. So what you have to do, just click onto the add to cart, and then let me show you that how you can do the setup to purchase this amazing hosting. So here you're going to see the plans. It is for the 48 months, but and this for the 24 months. But I'm going to recommend you go with this plan for the 12 months. It's going to be the 1 year. So we're going to scroll down here, and then here you have to set up your account. You have to enter the email and the password. You can go with the Google or the Facebook. And then we scroll down here. Boom, here now you're going to see, you're going to have the hosting and the domain, the free at $38. It's so amazing deal. So you're going to have your own hosting and the domain, so you can build or set up your e-commerce or the business website. So what you have to do here, you have to put all your information. Then here you go. So here you're going to have the 38. You have to pay only $38 for the 1 year for the hosting and the domain. And then here you're going to add the card, or you can just pay with the credit card, the PayPal, or the Google. Okay, and then once you click on to pay, it's going to ask you to write the your domain name. So whatever your business name is, like the raja.com, yeah, you're going to write, and you will see you have to select the domain and then click on to the enter, and then it's going to set up for you to WordPress website. It's so simple to do, and you're going to have the hosting and the domain and WordPress website. Thank you so much. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.